Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial. So today we're gonna go over creating loading screens and loading into levels. So first we need to create like an area for this level. So this is the first level. I just noticed it's not right angled, right? But let's create a area shape, vision shape, and add a square box shape. I'm gonna need to change this. It's kind of off center. Rotation is off. Or am I crazy? It has no rotation. Alright, so let's leave it like that. Then we create a here. Call it, oh, he has a good name already. Gateway. So what we needed to do is to load a level. So we need to create a loading screen. So let's do that too. So add a new scene. Would make it a UI. I'm gonna make a UI tutorial separately, maybe the next one. I'm not sure yet. Let's call this loading screen. And then add a script to that. So here are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need a loader. So var loader. Then we need a status for the loader. So loading status. And we're gonna need the var root and var current scene. Alright. So in ready, we need to say root equals get tree get root. And then we need to create a scene function. So load level maybe. So function load level. I need to get the level, maybe the address of the level, so we could create a like create a dictionary, say level addresses or something like that. Addresses, make that a dictionary. So maybe we say level 1, and we would say we drag this here, level 1 scene, drag it right there. We get the address for that level. So right now we're just gonna do level 1. Forgot the equal sign here. Yeah. Alright, so in the load level, we need to say loader dot load interactive. Oops, wait. Loader equal to load. Oh, wait. Resource loader. I'm sorry. Resource loader dot load interactive, and then you give it the path. So we're gonna say level address and open close quotes and put level. So we're only gonna pass this to the loader, to the load level. Then you need to get 1 second. Let me double check. Need to clear the current scene. Oops. Oh, that's right. current scene that we free. We. So we're getting rid of the old. We could bring it up a bit. Do that first. Then you say if loader equals now you want to return, meaning if you get a bad address so it doesn't bug out. Or we could put an error here maybe or something like that. And we set visible. This is the actual loading screen. We're setting it to be visible. So true. So remember, this is being ignored if this runs fine. Then we set process true as well. So we don't want the loading screen to be running if nothing's going on with the loading screen. Alright, so now we go into process. Pull this up. So now we're gonna do is if loader equals null again, we set it to set process equals false. Then we return. If not, we wait a minute. Say loader. Now we're gonna set the loading status. So loading status is equals to loader dot tool. Did I call it loading status? Yeah. So what's going on here? It continues to get parts of the level what you're loading. So each part is loading individual, like, well, sequentially I should say. So now we have to check for errors. So if loading status equals to error, where is it? End of file. Oops. Error. This one. So end of file meaning it's completed. So right here it would tell the level to load. So let's pass that for now. We'll come back to that. Say else or elif loading status equals okay. We continue to load. So let's put that here. Continue loading. Let's pass it for now. Then else we say there's an error. So error occurred. Yes. Alright, so what we're gonna do with each one of these is we say func start level. Excuse me. In start level we say current scene. What's happening? Oh, back one. Current scene equals dot then we say root dot add child current scene. Right here we're gonna say var loaded level is equals to loader dot get resource then we say start level. Start level loaded level. All right, then right here we need to just update oh, one more thing. The loader equals no. Right now we need to create an update progress. Then we say create that here. Func update progress. We say var progress is equals to float loader dot get stage and divide that by loader dot get stage count. Oops, get stage count. Then right here now we can say print progress. Oops, progress. Let's write something. A loading progress. Put a comma. Space here. All right. So now save all of that. Screens, loading screen. Now we need to set it as a autoload script. Well, screen I should say. Add, and it's enabled. Good. Alright, so let's go back to gateway. I can say, where is it? Level hub. Let's save the gateway as its own object. So save branches scene, folder, gateway. Oh, don't have to gateway. Save. Where did I save the script? I guess it's in screens. No. There it is. Move that. Move to gateway. Alright. So now we go to the gateway. Let's say attach the Unbody entered. Connect. So we say if body dot player. Actually, let's do one more thing too. Say export level to load. Alright, so if body dot name is equal to player, then we say loading screen. Let's go now. Equal to player. loading screen dot load level and level to load. Alright, so let's save that, see what happens. Hub, save the hub. Okay. Oh, just realized this actual gateway isn't here. Back to here. Oops, not there. Close this. Let's set this as the default start screen as well. So run default the hub close. Alright, we need to load gateway. Get rid of this one. Great. Okay, that gateway isn't working. Gotta set it to, I have to remove inheritance. There's a way to do it, but let's just do it. Here, pretty sure there's over here. It is clear inheritance. There you go. And now I could delete this one. Alright, so now we're doing, let's call escape B1. Then we say inspector level to load level 1. See if it breaks. And it does. So the reason this breaks is because I didn't set the current scene. So let's do that up here. So current scene is equal to root dot get child then we say root dot get child count -1. So the thing is, it's getting the last thing that loaded, the last node that loaded, which would be the hub world. So let's go back again, see what happens. Alright, bang, there you go. And there's the load in progress at the bottom. It's pretty quick though, because it's a very small level. And yeah, I still need to speed her up. Hold on. So we're gonna actually create a loading screen, the actual screen itself, actually the UI. Let's go back here, go here, create a child node progress bar. Let's just make it fill up the screen. Alright, this layout up here, center, fill screen. So go back here, we're gonna get the progress bar. Go on ready for progress bar equal to $ progress bar. So we could set this progress bar to increment by maybe the max value 100, step value. Okay, so 100. It's already set to 100. So now we could get the progress bar. Where is it? Update progress. So instead of printing it, we could say, go here. So progress bar dot progress, or value I should say. Value is equal to progress times 100. Alright, let's see how that looks. And I need to hide it. It's not hidden in the beginning. Let's go back here. Here. Say unready. Say visible is equal to false. And Jump here. You can see that did loaded. It's a bit too quick though, right? You could actually add a continue button. You could maybe add stuff there like tips and all that. So let's do that. Alright, so right, where is it? Right here, instead of starting the level directly, you could tell it to, let's make a button. Let's say button, where is it? Put it on the center or the bottom middle. Call it start, maybe. Grab him a little bit, pull him up. Move him up here. Remember, this isn't a UI tutorial yet, so I'll go over that in another video. So start level button. So now we go here, one button pressed, phone screen, say start level. Where is it? We do all the stuff in here. Where is it? Right here. Move this from here. But so we can pass there. We put it in here. All right. Move these back. Oh, one thing we could do is, where is it? Here. We get the button and set it to be visible. So just say boom, start button. Now visible equals true. And let's set it to false when the the level just starts. So false. Alright. Now we need to set it back to false again somewhere else as well. Right here. When you start the level. Alright. Let's try that. Okay, then you can walk up, jump, zero. Uh-oh. One problem we have. The mouse button. So it's loaded, but it doesn't update to 100%. So we can actually set that in code. But I need to set the right here. Where is it? Where do we set it with? Here. So if it's completed, we say go here. Mouse mode visible. Visible. What did I do? Then right here we set it back to captured again. Oh. Okay, I see what I did. Let's try it. Go down. There you go. And you can press start. And the level loads. Alright guys, next tutorial we're gonna go over UI. Alright guys, see you in the next one.